Morning YouTube, this is Chuck Reynolds again, and I'm ready to make a little copper cement. If you look right here, you can see the copper is kind of laying there being a blob. And we've got some over here in the that jar that was clean. That's just the clean copper from when we're trying to get the silver off it, the silver plate. So this is going to be our attack for today. It's going to be getting this copper into cement and then working with it to get it into being copper again. All right, be back. Okay, so the way this is going to go, here's the juice that we're going to work on. And although this says stump remover on it, on this bottle, it also says somewhere on here that this is potassium nitrate. So we're going to dump a little bit of this in. Well, this has never dissolved well for me, so So that's the start. Now we need to stir that a little bit. Yeah, this is horrible stuff. I've got a new bag of this coming, and for some reason I got it on Amazon. Nice bag of potassium nitrate. It's really a powder, and it got stuck in customs for some unknown reason. Anyhow, that's what we need from out of that. And now we need just a little bit of acid to get things cooking. So let me get that. We're going to use hydrochloric, and we're going to use, how big is this one? Yeah, we could use this. We're going to use this little beaker here. Now I've got everything in my way. And again, you don't want to spill this if you don't have to. So that's about 100 milliliters. Stir, 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 what they tell me. Okay, so I don't see any reaction happening. Now I'm watching for a color change in here. And it appears to be a little teeny bit darker. Not seeing it being a lot darker, but let's go a little closer. I got the burner out, and I've got it set on 1, so it's pretty slow right now. So it heats up, and then we'll shoot it and see what temperature we're at, and gradually crank this up. I don't want to get it really, really, really hot. I just want to keep the fumes down. And that's going to be the plan anyhow. Be back. Okay guys, here we are, and we're getting started here. 103, that's F, that's not C. Now this little frying pan is a lot hotter than what that is, but that's okay. Yeah, it's only 105, so we'll let that cook for a little bit, and So what it's going to do, because I don't think that potassium chloride is working at all the way it's supposed to, or what it's supposed to do. It just isn't doing it. I won't have the right stuff here for, oh wait, maybe tomorrow. We might be trying to do this all over again tomorrow. But as you can see, there's not a bubble inside or anything. Nothing's reacting. Right. Maybe I'm just getting ahead of myself. I'll let this go for a little bit. Well, you can see even on the back side the bubbles. I think you can see, yeah, you can see that. That's bubbling everywhere now. Okay, we're going to let this go for a bit and be back. Well, guys, you missed all the action. The Beaker broke, and I've got sulfur nitrate everywhere, all over the floor, all over the counter, it's really great, thank goodness, if you see some of it. So I've got to get it from there into the container. And it goes down. And let me see what the temperature is out here. If it wasn't hot, it was only like 175. Yeah, it's only 89 degrees. 90. Okay, so don't know why that broke, but it did. I'm going to try to get back into a bucket. Be back. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to get it from there to here. Not exactly sure how I'm going to do that yet. I'm going to clean that handle up right here. I know I'm going to spill. So, do it this way. I had to get some of it. Got a little on the floor and a lot in the cooker here. Just going to let that drip dry. And the hot plate is right there. And the rest of this crap is just everywhere. I've got that already. Got all these glass fans on, got the respirator on. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for this loud bunch of stuff going on here in the respirator. You can't hear what I'm saying. And so this was a real cheap beaker I got at the thrift store, so don't do that. And hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Or don't enjoy it, just give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and come back again. Thank you so much for watching.